I just wanted to give you a quick little show and tell here. Lisa Halstead, as you all know, not only makes beautiful cards, but she makes wonderful scrapbook pages. So this was the beach line from Kaisercraft this year, which we absolutely fell in love with. And can I think of the name of it? No. It is Beach Shack. It is the Beach Shack collection from Kaisercraft. And we have that collection all in the store for you. Look at that beautiful seashell paper. And I love the hexagons on that paper. Oh, and this one is just so beautiful. Sorry, I'm so close. Look at that paper. So good. So this is a wonderful little paper line to make all your little beach layouts with. It's got some great neutral colors, beautiful blues. There are embellishment packs that you can use to go with it. So you too can make this adorable layout just like Lisa. Scrap lifting is not illegal, so come on in and make a great layout. Bye.